Hi, Cindy Miller here. I thought I would do a few little videos on the basic HopeSaCs and what you do to put them together. A HopeSaC comes with 4 pieces. It comes with the bag, 2 round inner pillows, and 1 tube pillow. All right? So to put this together, you take one of your rounds and place it down inside of the HopeSaC bag. Okay, these rounds are made out of, these are shredded foam, but you could also do pieces of fabric, or there's a lot of things that you could do to stuff it with, but those are the 2 main ones we're using. In places that you can't get shredded foam, we're using the fabric. These right here for the inner tube, this is the pot is gonna sit down inside of here. So these are made of shredded foam right here, but in other places like Kenya, we use fiber or batting in this section. It keeps it nice and flexible, so you can use different size of pots in the middle, which is really nice. All right, I am going to have another video on talking about pots, so see if you can look that one up and find it, because everybody wants to know what kind of pots do you put in it. So I thought we'd cover that. But for now what we're going to do is take this second round pillow and put it right inside here like this. Obviously, if we were actually using it, the pot with boiling food would already be in here. And cinch that up, and it's ready to go. It's transportable, it saves fuel, and it frees up your time. It's going to stay hot for hours, and it'll be ready to eat when you're ready. The HopeSaC Thermal Cooker.